So quick thing, the loader handle broke. So this part here, there, screws into there and has this as a backing nut to tighten down against that flat surface. Take a look at that. It broke, and not sure what to say about it. It's not like it's rusted or anything like that. Was that a fatigue thing, right? I mean, what's going on there? But got the new one. We're gonna get this put together here. Should be pretty straightforward. Hardest part here is me trying to film, so we'll see. Anyway, the boot, literally, it does stick through, so we'll have to make sure we get that on there properly before we put the ball on. And it just kind of snaps in around here, so that's not too big of a deal. And let's get to work here, right? And then we'll just pop this through here, and we'll get this backing nut on. Oh boy, it's actually kind of tight. Are there two different sides to this puppy? Shouldn't be, right? Huh. Wow. Yay! I now have a front end loader once again. So that's the story. We're in good shape. And here's my broken parts. Thank you, John Deere. For those that want to know what part number it is, there it is. Thanks for watching.